tape it, and make it. Hello everyone, welcome to Kintex. In this video, we will show you a special taping technique for lower abdominal problems or problems during menstruation. For this we need two 6-inch long Kintex classic tape. My colleague will now show you the correct taping technique. We divide the backing paper, tape the first strip, without pulling, just below the navel. We apply the second strip exactly over the middle of the first strip, slightly below the navel, and then run this strip without tension up to the symphysis and rub the tape slightly. We have taped the first two strips of the tape on the front side. The third strip comes then on the back. For this, we need a 6-inch wide strip of Kintex classic tape. The tape is applied in a preventative way. The tape is taped over the sacrum with a full pull and ends running outwards loosely. Then rub well and the taping technique is finished. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.